Okay, well, h of 0, we would plug that into the first piece of the function since that is a value that is less than or equal to 2. So 3 times 0 squared minus 4 would equal negative 4. And h of 4 would be the second piece of this function since 4 is greater than 2. So 5 plus 4 times 4, so 16 plus 5 is 21. Now here, the third part asks, is there a value of x such that h of x equals 10? So we want to know, will h of x equal 10? Well, it appears that 10 is between h of 0 and h of 4. Oops, I did my little inequalities there incorrectly. Sorry, and I cannot find, oh, there's the eraser. Here, my bad. Whoops, good grief. Try this again. There we go. Because h of 4 is 21, so 21 is greater than 10, and h of 0 is negative 4. Now, I can only use this principle. I can only guarantee that the value will be 10 if we can apply the intermediate value theorem. And the intermediate value theorem states that a function must be continuous. Well, the first piece here is a quadratic. So yes, we know that a quadratic equation is continuous. And so from negative infinity to 2, this function would be continuous. Now, this is a linear function, and we know that linear functions are continuous. So we could say from 2 to infinity, the function would be continuous. And let me modify this real quick. From negative infinity to include 2. Now, my question is at 2, will this function be continuous? Well, let's take a look. Does the value exist at 2? Why, yes, it does. 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12, 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, what about the limits? Now, the limit, as I approach 2 from the right of h of x, that would be when the x values are greater than 2, would be the second piece. So 5 plus 4 times 2, 8 plus 5 is 13. And then the limit, as I approach 2 from the left of h of x, as we saw earlier, was 8. So we can see at x equals 2, h of x is not continuous. So then, can we not guarantee that h of x will be equal to 10? Well, my question is, does 10, the value of 10, actually occur when x is less than or equal to 2? Let's see. So when x is less than or equal to 2, will 3x squared minus 4 ever equal 10? Well, I get 3x squared equals 14, x squared equals 14 thirds, take the square root. So actually, when x is square root of 14 thirds or negative square root of 14 thirds, then this function will be equal to 10. So yes, I can guarantee that the function will equal 10. It just won't equal 10 at 2. So this does not contradict the IVT because the function h of x is continuous from 0 to 2, and h of x equals 10 on that interval. There we go, folks.